In this video, I would like to show you how to find the area and perimeter of compound shapes. So let's look at the first question here. The idea is there is no formula to find the area of such shape. We don't know a specific formula to find it. That's why they call it compound shape. So how to do this is we just cut this shape into 2 or 3 shapes. Now, let's just do a line here. Now, if we do that, we have this area which we can find, and we have this area which we know how to find. So let's do that. For this area here, this is a square, so this is a 2, and that's 2. So the area of this is 2 times 2, the area of a square, is equal to 4. And we found this. That's it. Now we need to find the area of this shape down here. We need to know the length, and we need to know the width here. Now, for this side, it's similar to this side, right? Now this is 5, and this is 2. That means all this side is 7. It's 5 plus 2. And for the width, the whole side here is 5, and this is 2. So if we take the 2, that means this is 5 minus 2, which is 3. Now we have the length and the width. We can find the area. The area is 3 times 7, which is 21. Now, let's erase everything, just keep the areas. So the area up there is 4, and the area down here is 21. So the total area is 4 plus 21, which is 25 centimeters square. And that's it. Now, to find the perimeter, we need to add all the sides. This is how you find the perimeter. You add all the sides. So this is 5, this is 2, this is 2, this is 5. We just get this one. We knew it's 5 plus 2, which is 7. And we got this one. It's 5 minus 2, which is 3. So now we have all the sides. We just add them. Let's add. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22, right? 22 plus 2 is 24. And the perimeter is just centimeters. Look at the units. The area is units squared, and the perimeter is just units. This is important. Now you can pause the video and try this nice question up here. To find the area, I'll need to cut this shape into 2 shapes. You can do this and find the area of this and the area of that, and that will give you the correct answer. Someone else may not want to do that. Someone else may just cut it here. Oh goodness, that's a very horrible line. Now let's make a better line. Alright, so someone may cut it like this. Someone may just find this area and find this area and then add them. Both works. So it's up to you. I do want to do this. I'll just do it like that. Now, if all this side is 6 and this is 5, that means this small side here is 1, right? Now, the area of this shape here, the small rectangle here, is just 1 times 4, which is 4. We got it finished for this part. Now for this one here, this is 5 and this is 9. So the area is 5 times 9, which is 45. Now we got both areas. This is 4 and that's 45. So the total area is 4 plus 45. 45 plus 4 is 49, I think. Yeah, it is. 49 units squared, so it's centimeter square. Now let's go and find the perimeter. The perimeter is when you add everything. Add all the sides. So 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20, right? Yeah, 14 plus 6 is 20, plus 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. So the total perimeter is 25 centimeter. Now this is the idea of how to find the area and perimeter of compound shapes. How was it? Was it easy? Now, I'll do this question because it looks strange. Now let's do it. So for this one, I don't think I can cut it into two shapes. So we can do many things here. We can cut it like this, right? So we find the area of this, the area of this, and the area of that. Now, this here is 9, this is 2, and that's 4. That means this part here, I don't know if we will need it or not, but let's do it. So 4 plus 2 is 6, this is 3. Now, we don't need this actually, we don't need the 3, so just, alright, let's leave it. Now, the whole length here is 10, and this part here is 3. That means this part is 7, right? So that's important. Now, let's start doing it. Let's find this area here, this one. So this is 3, and this is 2. So the area is 2 times 3, which is 6. Now, what's the area of this part? So this is 3 times 4, which is 12. Now for this side up here, it's 9 times 7, which is 63. Now to find the area of the total shape, is 63 plus 12 plus 6. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 6 is 11, so 1 and 1. So it's 8. So the area is 81. That's good. Let me just move it up a little bit. So the area is 81. Now, how do we find the perimeter? The perimeter is you add all the sides. Let's just erase this. Now, this is 9. That's 10, 4, 3. Oh, we got this one. It's 3. And this is also 3. And this is 10, right? So let's add. 9 plus 10 is 19. Plus 4 is 23. Plus 3 is 26. 29. 32. 35. Plus 10 is 45. So the perimeter is 45. And that's it for this question. Was it easy? Did you get it? Now, let's look at this one here. For the previous question, there is a very easy way to find the area. I just want to mention that quickly. Now, what we can also do to find the area is we find the area of the big shape here, all of it. So the area of this is 9 times 10, which is 90. And then we take away this area here. This is 3 and that's 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So if we do 90 minus 9, it's 81. So this is also correct. It's the same answer. But it's up to you. You can do this way if you like it. You can cut it into 2 shapes, 3 shapes. It's alright. Just relax. Do it like whatever you like. It's all correct. This is the last question I'll do, and then I'll let you try the rest. Now to find this area, it's already cut here. To find the area, we find the area of this shape here, 3 times 2, 6. And the area of the big shape, 9 times 3, 18. 6 plus 18 is 24. Right? And that's it for the area. 6 plus 18 is 24. Now to find the perimeter, you add the sides outside. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Plus 9 is 20. And there is a 3 here also, 23. That's it. How do you get it? Now you can take screenshots. Try this one and comment your answer. Try this one and post your answer in the comments. This question here, this question, and this question. Alright, that's all. Thank you for following. Bye bye.